Hello and welcome back to Core Finance. I'm Matt Brown. I'm joined today by Ronnie Chopra for the second of 3 videos, and we're looking at the Nikkei, which is in the news quite a lot at the moment, obviously with North Korea. So you've brought along a chart. Let's just have a look, and where does it go from here?
Well, I'm a big fan of the Nikkei. It's languishing below 20,000 at the moment. Obviously, this geopolitical concern in North Korea is casting a cloud over the market, but to my surprise, this morning looked at the markets and the Nikkei actually closed up after this explosion late last night, our time. So I mean, it just seems to be defying gravity. The index is one of the cheaper ones when compared on a price-earnings ratio amongst all the major indices, languishing around the 12-13 mark. The index has a lot of exporting companies, so it's basically at the beck and call of the foreign exchange market. When the yen is strong, you find that the Nikkei falls, and when it's weak, it gives a boost to the exporters, and the Nikkei rises. But having said that, even if there is a little bit of strength now with the Nikkei, profits are improving amongst corporate Japan, and that obviously gives a boost to the benchmark index, and therefore on valuation grounds, especially when compared to the likes of the S&P 500 in the States or the Dow, this market offers great value. Notwithstanding, of course, Kim Jong-un. We had a close strike last night. You know, it went over Japan into the Pacific Ocean. I mean, if there is obviously some kind of attack in mainland Japan, then the dynamics will change, obviously. But that will affect all global equity markets. But if one was to, let's say, do a pairs trade, I'd be long Nikkei and I'd be short the Dow.
Short the Dow. And with regards to yen, obviously a safe
haven
currency play.
Exactly.
Obviously bear in mind that if there is an attack or rhetoric is ramped up, that could rally again. But it feels like that trade has kind of dissipated a little bit.
It has, hasn't it? But the thing is, which doesn't really make sense, is the fact that if there's a strike on Japan, or you have these missiles being sent over Japan, the yen actually strengthens, which doesn't really make sense.
Counterintuitive, isn't it?
It certainly is, and I can't get my head around that sometimes.
Understood. Well, we'll take a look at the Nikkei if you're watching. And Ronnie, thank you very much for coming on today.
Thank you.